In the United Kingdom, your call sign tells everyone exactly how far you've progressed as a ham. Not your ego, not your opinions, not your it's your license class. Instantly, unmistakably, no vanity confusion, no hiding. This is ham radio, British style. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Ham Radio Around the World, a series exploring how amateur radio works outside of the United States. Same hobby, different rules, different culture, different call signs. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can see every video in this series. Today, we're heading to the United Kingdom. The series is sponsored by World Radio League because amateur radio isn't just local, it's global. Governing body, let's talk about that. In the United Kingdom, amateur radio is regulated by Ofcom. Unlike the FCC, Ofcom doesn't just administer tests. They tightly structure progression. Everything is intentional. Who can operate, where, how much power, and when you earn more privileges. The United Kingdom system is designed to teach discipline before freedom. The United Kingdom has 3 clearly defined license levels. They have the foundation license, the intermediate license, and then the full license. And here's the key difference from the United States. Your call sign permanently reveals which one you hold. United Kingdom call signs immediately expose your license class, and here's how it works. With the foundation license, call signs begin with Mike 7. For example, Mike 7, Alpha Bravo Charlie. Low power and basic privileges. With the intermediate license, call signs begin with 2 Echo 0. 2 Echo 0. Gosh, I couldn't decipher my 0 or my O. An example call sign of this would be 2 Echo 0 X-ray Yankee Zulu. This gives you moderate power and more bands, similar to the general class in the United States. Now we talk about the full license. Call signs begin with Mike 0 or Golf. Call signs examples for this would be Mike 0 Alpha Bravo Charlie or Golf 4 X-ray Yankee Zulu. Well, I guess if we're talking United Kingdom, I need to say Z, but I digress. This gives you full privileges and higher power. The moment someone keys up, you already know their experience level. There's no guessing, no looking it up, no flexing. In the United Kingdom, call signs enforce accountability, respect, learning progression, on-air discipline. You don't just jump the line. You earn your way forward, and that dramatically changes behavior. United Kingdom power limits are far lower than the United States extra class privileges. That forces better antennas, smarter operating, efficiency over brute force, and yet United Kingdom operators consistently perform well in DX, contests, digital modes. Skill matters more than watts. So when you look at platforms like World Radio League, you can actually see how the United Kingdom operators stack up globally. You have different rules, different power limits, same scoreboard. World Radio League highlights something important. Skill travels across borders, even when regulations don't. United Kingdom ham radio culture is often polite, structured, club-oriented, education-focused. Clubs play a huge role in mentoring, testing, and advancement. This is amateur radio as a craft, not just a privilege. For United States operators, the biggest surprises are call signs openly reveal your license class, power is restricted early, progression is mandatory, and vanity is secondary to learning. The United Kingdom doesn't assume freedom first. It assumes competence first. The United Kingdom proves something uncomfortable, but powerful at the same time. Freedom to be on the air means more when it is earned deliberately. And when you compare operators worldwide, systems like World Radio League make one thing clear: great operators exist everywhere, even under very different rules. Guys, appreciate you watching this one. Hope my research is good. It's doing the best I can with it. Next up in the series is Germany. Going right across the English Channel to Germany there. Their call signs start with Delta Lima, so really excited for that one. Technical rigor reigns supreme in Germany. If you're watching from the United Kingdom, drop your call sign down below. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Make sure you subscribe, folks, and drop a comment. 73 AA4WX, WSCB 693.